Hi guys. So by default, most iPhone camera, especially the low grade iPhone camera like iPhone 8 Plus, iPhone 8 and low grades have low camera quality compared to the upper grade iPhone camera. So if you have this kind of phone and you want to get clean videos, clean shots without having to break your bank, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings, go to camera, check your video record option, and then change the 1080 pixel to 4K by 30 fps and your camera quality will be thank me later.